In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Meta Business Suite. Whether you need to clean up your conversation list or simply want to remove specific messages from a chat, I've got you covered. Let's start with the basics. When you're looking to delete an entire conversation in Meta Business Suite, the first thing you'll want to do is to navigate to the conversation you wish to delete. Once there, you'll see the familiar layout with messages listed sequentially. Direct your attention to the top right corner, where you will find a small rubbish bin icon. Clicking on this icon prompts the system to delete the entire conversation. This action is irreversible, so be certain that you're ready to remove all messages contained before clicking it. This option is particularly useful when you have a conversation that's cluttering your inbox or when you no longer need the messages for future reference. Now, if your focus is on deleting a specific message you've sent via Messenger, there's a slightly different approach you need to take. First, find and open the conversation with the message you wish to remove. Once you've located the message, tap and hold on to it. This long press is crucial, as it brings up a menu of options regarding the message. In the menu, you'll see the choice to either unsend or remove for everyone. Selecting unsend removes the message entirely as if it was never sent, while remove for everyone allows you to delete the message on both ends of the conversation, meaning it will disappear from both your and the receiver's chat, provided you act before any set time restrictions Meta has for this function. A quick tip here. Ensure that you are quick to use these deletion features, because if someone has already seen the message, or if too much time has passed, the system might not permit the removal of the message. It's always a good idea to double-check your message before sending to avoid needing to use the delete function frequently. Remember, when using Meta Business Suite, your actions regarding message management can have different implications. Deleting conversations can help in maintaining organization and privacy, especially if there's sensitive information involved. It's always a better practice to be proactive about managing your conversations to prevent any clutter in your communication space. This cleansing process will not only help in accessing necessary conversations quickly, but can also save you trouble in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your Meta Business Suite messages. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with more informative videos like this one.